Hey everyone, John Struckman here from Pro Approach Bowling, and today I wanted to talk to you about our coaching service, Bowling Guides. So Bowling Guides is a part of Pro Approach Bowling. It's powered by Pro Approach Bowling, and it's the coaching service that we provide throughout Southern California at a number of bowling centers. Our team of bowling guides are here to help you bowl better. Our proven process by learn, practice, and compete, our coaching model will definitely help you get out there and bowl better. I'd love for all of you to hear from David, one of our students here at Oak Tree Lanes, about our coaching service and how it helped him bowl better.
So I came in to get a bowl drilled, and we started talking, and you said that you do lessons, and I was a sub 100 bowler at the time and needed help. After taking lessons, I wanted to get more involved in the community. I wanted to get more involved in leagues and to start building my consistency with bowling. John started really slow. We started by just holding the ball and walking up to the line and throwing it. He watched me bowl for about 4 or 5 frames, and then he started making improvements on how I held the ball, how I approached the lane, where I stood as far as finding my spot. I was very excited to start lessons because, like I said, I was bowling, my goal was to break 100 if I got there. I was hitting mostly 70s and 80s. Which was pretty low in the totem pole. And after that, I've started to get close to 150 games. It's a good way to build your confidence, to get rid of any bad habits that you have, and to start developing good habits and good form, and to build consistency.